G'day again, part 5. So I've had a few requests. We're going to do part 5 now, difference of two squares. So this is what you're going to apply to your surds when you want to rationalise the denominator. So let's look at a few basic difference of two squares. So if we have, let's say, we'll pick two squares. So let's say 7 squared minus x squared. So there's a difference of two squares. So if we factorise that, what you get is you get this. You get 7 minus x, 7 plus x. And you might think, how did you get that? Well, it comes from learning it in reverse. So let's do this in reverse, two ways, and you'll see how it turns out. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll go 7 plus x multiplied by 7 plus x. So 7 times 7, let's do it one at a time. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times x is 7x. X times 7 is plus another 7x. And x times x is x squared. So we've got this. We add the two middle terms, so we're going to equal 49 plus 14x plus x squared. And that should be pretty obvious. So let's do it again with two minus signs. So we go 7 minus x multiplied by 7 minus x equals, you're going to get pretty close to the same thing. 7 times 7 is 49. So we'll do it again. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times minus x is minus 7x. Minus x times 7 is minus another 7x, and minus x times minus x, a minus times a minus is a plus. Add the 2 in the centre and we get 49 minus 14x plus x squared. Now you can see there, if you look at the two answers, you've got plus 14 and minus 14. That's the only difference between having both pluses and both minuses, okay? The difference comes when you've got one minus and one plus. So what I'll do is I'll wipe this section out and we'll do it on top. And you'll see the difference. So let's do one plus and one minus. So we're going to go 7 minus x, 7 plus x. Let's go again. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times plus x is plus 7x. And here we go, minus x times 7 is minus 7x. Minus x times plus x is minus x squared. Well, 7x take away 7x is 0. So we're going to end up with 49 nothing minus x squared. We can rewrite that as 7 times 7 or 7 squared minus minus x squared. And that is regarded as the difference of two squares. That squared take away that squared is the difference of two squares. In this case this isn't a letter, so we can say 7 squared is 49. And you need to recognise when you get a number and a squared that that's the difference of two squares. Okay, we'll do a few in a sec. Back again. So for this one, we'll just do an extra difference of two squares. So look at this one. I'm just going to go y multiplied by y is y squared. Y multiplied by minus x is yx, minus yx. Then we've got plus x, y. Then we've got minus x squared. Now these two are the same. You've got yx and xy. It doesn't matter which order you put them in, they're the same. So this is negative of this. So they cancel out and we end up with y squared minus x squared. And again you've got the difference of two squares. So it doesn't matter what you put on either side, you'll end up with the difference of two squares. So if you start with anything, so root 3 plus x root 3 minus x. You can just go straight to the answer. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Put down a negative sign because you've got a plus and a minus. And x squared. And you've got the difference of 2 squared, even though these are roots. Okay? Pick another one. So 5 plus q, 5 minus q, 5 times 5 is 25. We know it's the difference of 2 squares. Put a minus sign, q times q, q squared, and you're done.